Introduction to Smartphone Sleep Tracking.
Sleep tracking with your smartphone can help you better understand your sleep quality and patterns. Using the right tools and setting them up correctly is essential for accurate results. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to configure your smartphone using popular sleep tracking apps to monitor your sleep more precisely and make the most of your device's capabilities.
Choosing the right sleep tracking app.
Start by selecting a reputable sleep tracking app. Popular choices include Sleep Cycle, Sleep as Android, and Apple Health. Look for features like automatic sleep detection, integration with wearable devices, and detailed sleep analysis. Download your chosen app from your device's app store and check recent user reviews to ensure reliability and accuracy.
Granting permissions for accurate tracking.
For accurate sleep tracking, grant the app necessary permissions. These usually include access to your microphone, accelerometer, or health data. On iOS, go to Settings and allow health and motion data access. On Android, permit physical activity and location if requested. Proper permissions help your app monitor movement and sound, improving detection of sleep phases.
Setting up your sleep schedule and goals.
Open your chosen app and enter your regular bedtime and wake-up time. Many apps allow you to set sleep goals, such as total hours of rest each night. Enabling smart alarms or reminders helps reinforce healthy sleep routines. Adjust daily or weekly goals as needed to align with your lifestyle and health objectives.
Optimizing your environment for tracking.
For optimal results, place your smartphone close to your bed but not under your pillow. Ensure it has enough battery or is plugged in overnight. Enable Do Not Disturb mode to minimize distractions. If your app tracks with sound, keep the microphone unobstructed and reduce background noise in your room before sleeping.
Reviewing and understanding your sleep data.
After a night of tracking, review your sleep summary in the app. Most apps display data on sleep duration, deep and light sleep phases, and interruptions. Use trend graphs to spot patterns over time. If the data seems inconsistent, check your phone placement or settings and follow the app's troubleshooting tips to improve accuracy.
Conclusion: making the most of sleep tracking.
Accurate sleep tracking with your smartphone is achievable by selecting the right app, granting needed permissions, and optimizing your setup. Regularly reviewing your data helps you develop better sleep habits and overall wellness. Keep experimenting with app features to find what works best for you, and consult health professionals if sleep concerns persist.